Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Marcus with Cosmogen, and I wanted to talk about our third segment, which is our brushes. So we offer brushes for cosmetics and for skincare. In Europe, we're actually one of the largest suppliers of brushes to some of the biggest name brands in the world. So let's begin. So what I'm going to show you is our more sustainable brushes to start, and then I'll move over to our typical, normal, everyday professional brushes that we offer. So to start, I'm going to talk about our vegan brush set. So what we have with the vegan brush set is we have a line of brushes where no animals were harmed, they're hyperallergenic, and they're safe for sensitive skin. They're less likely to harbor bacteria, and they're easy to clean, easy to find. So with here we have the handles that are made from bamboo, and we have aluminum ferrules, and we have the synthetic fibers. So synthetic is better because no animals were harmed, there's no animal hair, and you can do custom color with the synthetic. And we completed the entire brush set. So you have the powder brush, you have the foundation brush, you have a blush brush or a highlighter brush if you want to call it, and then we also have the concealer and the eye brush to complete a full set. And the pouch is made from bamboo. So not just the brushes, but we also offer the pouches as well, and we can customize these any way you'd like. The next set I will show you is called our coconut wood brush set. So coconut is definitely one of the trends right now in the packaging world. And what we have here is a complete set. So with the coconut wood set, we have a recycled aluminum ferrule. We have wood that actually comes from a bamboo tree. And then we have the vegan hairs. It's not animal hair, it's the synthetic fibers. And we've completed an entire set. We have the powder brush, we have the foundation brush, we have the blush brush, we have the concealer brush, the eyeshadow brush, and the crease brush. And the material of the pouch is actually made from cotton and ramie. And our minimum order quantity on all of our brushes is 5,000 pieces. And they're all produced in China. The next sustainable brush set I'd like to show you is called our Total Wood brush set. So with this brush set we have a wood that actually you can either choose birchwood or beechwood, but it's FSC wood handles, meaning Forward Stewardship Council. So when they take a tree out to use it for one of these items, they instantly plant a new tree. So FSC is a program in forests throughout the world. So this is FSC wood. And it's more sustainable because there's no ferrule. So because there's no ferrule, there's less material, less chemicals, and the only glue that's used is to glue in the tuft at the top. Our Total Wood brush set. So here we have the powder brush, we have the foundation brush, we have the blush brush, we have the concealer brush, and we have the crease brush. And so this pouch is actually made from hemp. It's a hemp material. So that's our sustainable brush set called the Total Wood brush set. We also have a new brush set that we just launched. I only have 2 of the items here, but it's called our GF-less brush set. So what that stands for is there's no glue, there's no ferrule, And if you can look in here, every tuft is hand tied into the brush at the factory. So as you can imagine, doing 5,000 of these, you've got 5,000 different manual effort to create one brush. And we can complete an entire brush set with it. I only have the 2 brushes right now. That's our GF-less brush set. A newer brush set that we just launched is called our Silkness brush set. So we came up with that name because when you feel the tuft, it's extremely soft. So on average, the average diameter for a bristle in a tuft is, I believe, 0.07 to 0.08. These are 0.03. So when you feel it, it's extremely soft. So the powder, for example, is super soft. We just launched these about a month ago, and we've already had a lot of traction with them. And then moving on to our professional brush line, we have what's called the teardrop brush set. And with the teardrop brush set, we've designed the ferrule that provides an ideally shaped tuft, hence we've called the teardrop. The pointed side allows to apply the formula anywhere in all the inaccessible areas such as the eye contour, the nose. And this is actually one of our highest performing brush sets from a performance standpoint. We have the foundation brush, we have the sculpting brush, we have the concealer brush, the eye brush, the lip brush, and then also a brush called the fresh faced brush. The double height tuft allows a good release of the formula, and it's ideal for a perfect natural makeup finish. We also have our perfect match brush that's used for a foundation product. This was just launched last year. What you have is a silicone valve in the middle that you can pour your foundation into. Just give an example. Pour your foundation in the middle, and the silicone valve holds it in place so that no foundation can drip off, but it only drips off when you apply it onto the skin. It's a great way a new type of brush that you could apply on foundation with. It's called our Perfect Match brush. And we also have it in a kabuki size as well. Again, you can see the little silicone cup in there. We also have a huge selection of brushes for skincare. Please check out our website to see our entire selection at www.cosmogen.fr. And on there you'll find a huge selection of skincare brushes. We can also be very customizable as far as the brushes go. This is a set we did for Sephora a couple of years ago. But what you see is you have a magnetic piece here at the bottom, and they hang from the top.